How's it going, everyone? Today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ratchet straps properly so you never have to deal with tangling and jumbled up ratchets ever again. Now, when I first started using ratchet straps, I always had problems, and I honestly hated these things because they always got tangled up. But the problem wasn't with the ratchet straps, it was with me. So I hope to teach you in this video how to do this properly so you can have this skill to use for the rest of your life. Because honestly, ratchet straps are the best tool you can use for strapping things down and going off-roading and etc. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna first start talking about the ratchet itself, okay? I treat the ratchet like Mr. Pac-Man, right? This is the side that kind of munches on his little food or whatever. This is the front side of Pac-Man. This is the rear side of Pac-Man. Common mistake people do is they try to feed the ratchet strap through the front side. Please do not do that. Every time you use a ratchet strap, the strap has to go in from the back side, all right? When you remember that, you won't have problems with tangling anymore. So let me demonstrate that to you right now. I take my strap, again, this is the back side of Pac-Man, and I go right through. So that's step one. Step two is then feeding the strap through this little window that's on top, right over here. So you can show it from the back side actually. Right over here. What I'm gonna do next is loop my strap from the top. So I kind of have this motion going on. What this is used for is getting rid of all the tension, okay? Because when you start ratcheting, you don't want too many loops to happen over here. You can have a lot of loops, but the more loops you have, the more chance you have it to get tangled up. So to make it easier on you, we have this little mechanism going on here. So step two is get the strap through the window. Step three is to put your hook on wherever it needs to get hooked, and then take this and pull to get rid of as much of slack as you can, okay? This just makes everything easy for you. Right now I have a little bit of tension on my items, and when I hit step four, which is just ratcheting down, you'll see that you have very little loops happening and everything just works efficiently. So I'm gonna show strapping down here. Once you get like a whole little loop around, you can let go and just make sure this all stays straight. Again, the cleaner you do this, the easier it is gonna be to remove. So I have a lot of tension now. Ooh, that was just my, this was just tangled up right here. So there you go. I got a lot of tension on the strap. You can see my stuff is strapped down. I only have a few loops here. All this extra material, I can just tie it down wherever I want to. And that is how you successfully strap something down. And when it comes time to remove the strap, you're gonna see how easily and effortlessly the strap comes apart. All I have to do now is hit the release. You can go back a little bit. I go up all the way, and then look at that. It's that simple, really. You can use small straps, large straps. It doesn't matter what size the strap is, as long as you use this method, which is just feeding the strap in through the back of Pac-Man, then going up the window and pulling. So backside, and I'm gonna show you how fast I can do this. I bring it back up, get rid of all the slack I need to get rid of. This is back. Fast, efficient, and super effective, okay? That's how you successfully use ratchet straps. The reason I'm making this video is because every time someone borrows my truck, I always get a ratchet strap back that's all tangled up because they don't know what they're doing. So as long as you do it this way, you'll have great success. Thank you for watching. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing and liking. The support means the world to me. And if you have a better way of doing this, put it in the comments below. If not, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.